Good morning. Welcome to a Monday morning. Let's start with a look outside your weather window. This is a shot of Interstate 15, Fort Hall. Roads looking pretty good. Traffic pretty good this morning, but that could all change over the next 24 hours as we take a look at this winter weather advisory stretching all the way from western Wyoming and through eastern Idaho, the highlands, through Bear Lake County, up north through Island Park and Ashton, pushing into the Arco Desert, into Stanley as well. So we're talking 3 to 6 inches of new snow. That's in the valleys and mid areas, and then maybe even measuring it in feet when you get into the upper elevations. 20 right now, Pocatello with a light wind. That means we have a feels like temperature of 10 under clear skies. A few clouds in through Idaho Falls, 14 degrees. Our winds are light at 6 miles per hour. That pushes us down to 5 for a feels like temperature. Temperatures around the region, some of us struggling to get that 0-degree mark of Montpelier, 4 below to start off on Monday, right at 0 through Afton. Teens in through Jackson, Driggs, Rexburg, 20s through Island Park and DuBois. Low teens through Arco, 13 for American Falls. Burley right now at 27. So we take a look at those wind speeds. Winds are light, single-digit wind speeds, calm as we make our way from Aberdeen in through the Arco Desert, but these winds could pick up a little bit later as that system moves through some areas. It could be 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts, and when you factor in the snow that's falling, that's going to create some whiteout conditions, so please be careful. If you have to travel sooner rather than later. Storm tracker radar, we can just see this system start to move in through parts of south central Idaho, pushing into Twin, Burley area. As we zoom out, we're going to see here it comes. Yeah, stretching all the way from northern California into the interior portions of Nevada. That's snow starting up through the Owyhees right now, headed into Boise, the Treasure Valley area, pushing into the Magic Valley, and that's going to be hitting us later this afternoon. Maybe around noon, 1 o'clock is when these snow showers are expected to start up, and that's going to continue throughout the evening hours. But we're going to warm up as the day goes on through the lower valley, so we're going to get well enough above that freezing mark. We're going to have a rain-snow mix through parts of Pocatello and Blackfoot, but then it's going to be all snow event for Idaho Falls, Rexburg, and St. Anthony. Highlands in western Wyoming, snow showers as well for today around noon. Jackson 30, Afton 32, Soda Springs 32 for a high. And yep, Central Mountains getting hit with the snow as well. Chalice hitting a high of 27, 31 for Salmon, Leadore, and Stanley. Moving to your overnight hours, things settle down through the Central Mountains with mostly cloudy skies, lows below freezing in the 20s, mid-teens for Stanley. In through the highlands and western Wyoming, more snow expected overnight tonight into Tuesday. Overnight lows 29 for Jackson, Island Park 30 for Driggs and parts of the area there. And then a rain snow mix in through the lower valley tonight. Then it'll turn back to snow in the early morning hours of Tuesday. All snow for the upper valley, 34 the overnight low for Idaho Falls. 33 Rexburg, 35 Pocatello. Here's a look at our Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. That snow will continue into the early morning hours of Wednesday through Pocatello. Bit of a break by Thursday, Friday, and the first part of the weekend. Snow starting back up Sunday into Monday with highs in the 30s, possibly hitting 40 by the end of the week. Blackfoot, chance of snow as well Tuesday into Wednesday, clearing up a little bit Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with just cloudy skies. Our highs will remain in the 30s with lows in the 20s. Idaho Falls snow for Tuesday, Wednesday, and then again on Sunday and Monday with highs in the 30s, lows in the 20s to the upper teens. Rexburg snow for Tuesday and Wednesday as well, with our daytime highs taking us into the mid to upper 30s by the end of the week. Teton area, snow for Tuesday, snow for Wednesday, and then again on Sunday and Monday. Deanne?